If you ever wanted to learn how to code to create computer software, apps, or websites, well then there are tons of websites on the internet to learn the skills you need to get started, and many of them are for free. So in this video, I will be going over 4 best websites to learn how to code, so make sure to stay tuned. The first website where you can learn how to code is FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp has an interactive learning platform designed to make learning web development more accessible to anyone. FreeCodeCamp offers many skills to choose from like JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, and many others. They make learning how to code very beginner-friendly just by following the instructions on the screen, making learning how to code easy to understand. The second website where you can learn how to code is Codingame. Codingame offers you a way to improve your programming skills in an awesome and entertaining way. You have a selection of 20 different programming languages to learn from. When you start out Codingame, you will have a tutorial that will help you get familiar with the coding environment. You can also participate in online multiplayer games and contests, so you will get a chance to show others who is boss. Moving on to the third website, and that will be SoloLearn. SoloLearn is one of the better organized and structured sites to learn coding. Unlike other websites, SoloLearn is completely free and none of their features is locked behind a payment wall. They offer tutorials to 12 different programming languages, including Python, Ruby, C++, and many others. One of the best things SoloLearn has to offer is their app. You can sync your progress from your computer, and you can pick up where you left off on your phone. And the last one on the list is CodeAcademy. CodeAcademy is a freemium interactive platform that offers coding courses in more than 12 different programming languages. They also offer courses in machine learning, data science, game development, and other great courses. They offer one of the best user interfaces with the instructions on the left, text editor in the middle, and the output on the right. You can unlock more features for just $20 a month. CodeAcademy is one of my personal favorite websites to learn how to code, so you should definitely check them out. Learning how to program is such a valuable skill to possess. Just like Steve Jobs once said, everyone should learn how to program a computer because it teaches you how to think. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about programming? Do you think this is a valuable skill? So if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because each video that I upload is intended to inspire, motivate, or teach you something new that could change your life. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and now it's time for me to tune out.